Presenting a pre-owned 1978 Toyota Land Cruiser. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder engine, with rear-wheel drive, and a 4-speed manual transmission. This Toyota has less than 113,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.